Cisco CTS-SX20. Okay, on the left of the screen is a list of the parts codes available for this platform, along with bundles that include the CTS-SX20 and SX20N. Now, interestingly, the SX20 and the SX20N, they are identical hardware. However, the software on the N uses the C8 version, and Cisco engineers will know what that is. The SX20 ships with C8, and you can downgrade them to use an earlier version of software, TC7 or T6. The older SX20s, they ship with TC7. They can be upgraded to the C8 software, so you can upgrade this to an N. A few little variances, remote controls. There's the old Tamberg TRC5. That works with the SX20. Then you've got the later TRC6, which is all Cisco. That will work with the SX20N, the later software. That won't work with older software. That remote won't work with newer software, or it won't work well. If you're using a Touch 10, you won't need a remote control. Base codes. Okay, so you've got SX20 codec encrypted, then you've got the non-encrypted version of this, then you've got the SX20N. All of these, old and new, they all use TTC-7-21 as their platform base, and they are completely compatible between the two. Those are base platform part codes, and they're not bundled part codes, so you will need to look at buying cameras, cables, etc. Okay, so there are 4 different types of camera. You've got the 60, which you can see there's a pair of these in this speaker array, and then you've got the 8-05. That's the 4XS2. Then you've got the smaller one, which looks like an upside down Starship Enterprise. I haven't got one of those. That's the little 2.5 zoom camera. And then you've got touchscreen. You've got an older 8-inch version of these, which will work on the older SX platform. When you go up to the later software, or you buy one of these that starts out as an N version, then you'll need the touchscreen 10. Oh, don't forget, also microphones. The most common one for the SX20 is this one. It's called a TTC5-06. There are lots of different part codes for this. You'll see them with grey or black cables. Grey is because Cisco are shifting towards grey and white on their teleconference systems, away from traditional black screens and cables. It doesn't matter, they're completely compatible between the two.